Hey guys, I had a recent question related to monk fruit and stevia and erythritol and xylitol. Which one's the best, which one's the worst? So let's just talk about these four sweeteners. Monk fruit and stevia and erythritol all have a 0 glycemic index, so they will not increase insulin, okay? Xylitol on the glycemic index is 30, so it's low, but it's still a little spike. If you consume this one in small amounts, it should not be a problem. Now, I do use xylitol for a lot of different recipes simply because it really tastes just like sugar, okay? Stevia has a little bit of an aftertaste, but this is really good in things like flavoring water and carbonated water to make like a soda, and it's good in certain recipes. Monk fruit also has a slight little aftertaste. It's really, really sweet, so you don't need much of it, but both of these are very similar. They kind of give a little bit of an aftertaste. They don't really taste 100% like sugar, but they're good in certain recipes, but not in others. I don't really use this one as much. I use stevia a little bit more. Now, erythritol doesn't have the aftertaste, but it definitely does not taste like xylitol. It has more of a cold taste, a cold, sweet taste. But I still use this in recipes because it's great to combine this maybe with this or these two together and to have the right balance. Now, the other point about erythritol is sometimes it's made from corn, which is GMO. So you want to make sure this one is non-GMO. Okay. Same thing with xylitol. This you want this from birch bark and non-GMO. And if you're actually chewing gum, make sure it's xylitol gum, and don't worry about it interfering with your intermittent fasting. It's not going to bump you out of ketosis. It's such a small amount. The gum that you don't want to consume is the gum with aspartame. You want to avoid these artificial sweeteners. These are sugar alcohols, and this is a fruit, and this is from a plant, so these are totally fine. There's a lot of other sugar alcohols and natural sweeteners that you can do, but these are the common ones right here. Between these two, I found this one tends to give people a little more digestive problem if consumed in larger amounts. This one can be as well, but if you're having small amounts, it doesn't seem to be a problem. But when you start making these keto bombs or these recipes, boy, it just tastes so good, you want to eat a lot of it, well, then you'll start getting some problems because they can act as a laxative or give you gas. And sometimes you'll hear this idea that if you consume anything sweet, whether it's monk fruit or stevia, even though it's 0 calories, it's still going to spike insulin. I've never had a problem with that. I never see a problem with that. I wouldn't worry about it. Thanks for watching. Hey, I appreciate your attention, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely keep you updated on future events, live events, and webinars that we're going to do very soon.